In a world that constantly pulls on your energy through people, screens, demands, phone, emotion, it's no wonder you often feel drained by the end of your day. But what if I told you that your energy fee isn't just something spiritual, it's about your emotional immune system as well? And just like your body needs protection from toxins, your energy needs protection from negative influences, emotional baggage, and the energy noises. In today's video, we are going to talk about the daily energy protection rituals that actually work wonders. They are simple, powerful, and repeatable. These are the tools that are going to help you reclaim your space, your balance, your power, whether you are an empath, a healer, a corporate person, or someone who is just tired of carrying energy that doesn't belong to you. This is for you. If you feel constantly drained or energetically overwhelmed, I offer a one-on-one session that can help understand your energy. The link is given in the description box. Now let's understand, why do you feel drained? You wake up fine, but by mid-afternoon, you're tense, heavy, obligated, not sure what to do in the next half of the day. It's not just stress, it is the energetic absorption. Every interaction, online, offline, creates an energetic exchange, and if you're naturally sensitive and compassionate like me, you probably absorb other people's energy like a sponge. This might look like picking up on others' moods, feeling heavy in crowds, struggling to let go of certain conversations. Over time, this can leave your energy feels fragmented. And here is what you need to understand. Unless you protect and reset your energy daily, you are not going to operate from your own frequency, but you're going to operate from the mix of frequency that are coming from other people. That's not only exhausting, but also disempowering. First, I'm going to teach you the morning energy sheet. Your morning sets the tone for the entire energy field, that is the entire day. Before you check your phone or step into the world, pause. Visualize a golden or a white protective light forming a circle around your body. This is your energy, your bubble. You're safe, you're strong, you're bright, you are unstoppable. In your mind and conscious, repeat, only loving, peaceful, and aligned energy may enter into my space today. I am protected and guided. You can also rub your hands together, place them on your heart, and take 3 deep breaths. While repeating this intention, the 60-second ritual is your energy armor. It helps prevent you from absorbing any chaos, stress, toxic energy from other people. Even if it feels silly and small, energy responds to intention and not logic. Now let me give you the midday rituals. Around the midday, we often feel hectic, slump, especially after dealing with so many people, calls, emotional moment. This is perfect time to reset your energy in just few moments. Place your feet on the ground. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, visualize any energy that is not yours flowing down into the Mother Earth from your body. And you're washing away with a gentle waterfall. Then call your energy back by saying, I release all energy that isn't mine. I call my power back to me. If you are in a public space or at work, you can do this silently with intention. You can also wear crystals like black tourmaline, smoky quartz. It works very beautifully with your root chakra. And now, the evening time. Like every evening coffee and evening tea is important, the evening ritual is also important. If you are still carrying the emotional debris from the interaction, messages, thoughts, workload that you had the entire day, this is where your evening energy detox becomes very important. Before you go to sleep, take a few minutes to energetically cleanse everything that happened in the day. One of the most effective way is a salt bath or a salt scrub. Salt pulls negative energy from your aura out. If you don't have time for a bath or a salt bath, just soak your hands and feet into the salt water and rinse off. And then visualize yourself under a white light, washing away your energy fields. As you breathe out, feel your energy clearing. As you breathe in, feel the peace filling every cell of your body and re-energizing it. You're not just relaxing, you're only releasing. Focus point: the more you release each day, the less you carry into tomorrow. Emotional buildup creates energetic weight. It is so important to understand. Let me tell you the secret of what I do every single day: the cord cutting before you sleep. If you have physically walked away from someone during the day, you might still be energetically connected. Even if you're online doing sessions like me, there is an energetic connection that is between you and the person. The great night ritual is cutting your cords of the day. Close your eyes, picture your energy field. Now imagine any cord between you and the other people, the situations, the conversations. Gently detach and disconnect. And say, I cut all the cords that no longer serve me. I release all the ties with love and peace. This keeps your energy beautiful, you sleep better, you dream more, you manifest more. You wake up lighter and start the morning ritual again. Let's be real. Not every social situation is avoidable, but you can still walk into any room, into any energy before stepping into the crowd or emotional charged people. A quick visualization and a protection bubble really helps you. I observe, but I do not absorb. This is what you have to tell yourself every single time. Every protection isn't just a spiritual concept, it's a daily practice, honoring your boundaries, your body, your own soul. You're not here to heal everyone at your own expense. You're here to live fully empowered, clear, aligned with the energy that supports you every single day. These rituals aren't just meant to isolate you, they are meant to empower you. If you want to understand more about your energy, you can book a psychic future reading. The link of the reading is given in the description box. Your energy is your power. Start protecting it because your future depends on your energy. Click on the link below, book your reading now, and I'm going to see you in the session. If you have any other question, write in the comment section, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe for more such videos that I bring 3 times a week for all of you.